Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for Forex. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your trading account. Next, navigate to the Trade tab, which is your gateway to all trading functionalities. It is crucial to confirm that you have enabled Forex trading permissions on your account beforehand. This ensures you can access and trade currency pairs without any restrictions or delays. Once logged in, head over to the Market Watch tab. Here, you can create a new dedicated watch list specifically for your Forex pairs. Search for the currency pairs you are interested in, such as EUR/USD, GBP/JPY, or USD/CAD. After finding them, simply add these desired Forex symbols to your custom watch list. This organization will provide quick and easy access to your preferred currency markets. Now, let's customize your charts. Open a chart for any Forex pair directly from your newly created watch list. You can then apply various technical indicators to aid your analysis, such as moving averages, the relative strength index, or Bollinger Bands. Remember to customize chart settings like timeframes from 1 minute to daily and adjust display styles to suit your trading strategy and visual preferences. Finally, it's time to place a trade. Navigate to the Active Trader or Trade tab for efficient order entry. Select your desired currency pair and specify your trade size, often measured in lots, such as 1 standard lot or 1 mini lot. Crucially, always set stop loss and take profit orders. These tools are essential for managing your risk effectively and protecting your capital in the dynamic Forex market.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.